Hello students, welcome to my English session. In this video, we will be discussing about the poem Maps by Dorothy Brown Thompson. Let's know about the poetess Dorothy Brown Thompson first. Dorothy Brown Thompson was an American writer and poet. She began writing professionally in 1931 and published more than 2000 poems in American magazines and newspapers. Dorothy Brown Thompson was born on May 14, 1896 in Illinois, USA. She studied history and English at University of Kansas and graduated in 1919. The poem Maps tell us that maps are much more than pieces of paper. They are the gateways to adventure, imagination, and knowledge. Even though maps look small and simple, they contain information about mountains, oceans, roads, countries, weather, and faraway lands. The poet shows how maps help people travel, explore, and dream about unknown lands. Let's understand the poem stanza by stanza. High adventure and bright dream, maps are mightier than they seem. The poet begins by saying that maps are full of exciting adventures and wonderful dreams. They may appear to be ordinary sheet of paper, but they have great power because they help us discover new places and imagine journeys. Coming to the second stanza, ship that follow leaning stars, red and gold of strange bazaars. Maps guide ships across the seas. Sailors use them along with the stars to reach distant lands. These places may have colorful bazaars, means markets filled with interesting and exotic goods. The maps make us imagine these exciting destinations. In the third stanza, ice floes set beyond all knowing, plains that ride where winds are blowing. Maps show natural features such as icebergs, mountains, and regions with strong winds. By looking at a map, we can learn about places we have never visited and visualize their landscapes. Taking up the next stanza, train maps, maps of wind and weather, road maps taken all together. Different types of maps serve different purposes. Road maps help drivers, railway map helps train travelers, and weather maps provide information about climatic condition of a place. Maps guide people in planning journeys and activities. Taking up the final stanza, maps are really magic wands for homestaying vagabonds. In the final stanza, the poet is comparing maps to magic wands. Just as a magic wand can transport someone to wonderful places, maps themselves never move, but they allow us to travel in our imagination. Even while sitting at home, we can explore the world through maps. The poet calls such people homestaying vagabonds, travelers who wander the world in their minds without leaving home. So the moral is, things that look simple may contain great power and knowledge. Maps encourage us to learn about the world, explore new places, and dream beyond our surroundings. That's all about the poem Maps by Dorothy Brown Thompson. Thank you all children for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you all.